Definite aroma of vomit. Oh, it smells like catfish. What? What is this? They have kindly placed your exhaust on top of the car. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike, and we are back at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I tell you what, I'm gonna have a good time today because for the first time in probably a couple of months, I brought everything that I needed with me to shoot the video. That means I have the microphones, I have the vest, I have the tripod for the camera slash iPhone, and I have a great mood, and the weather seems to be perfect. It's a little windy. It's December and it's going to be 60 something degrees today here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So the conditions are perfect, and so are the cars, because for the first time we're going to start with something that I've never seen before. And here she is, 2016 Dodge Challenger with parts on top. I have not seen this before, but I like it. I like it a lot. This is the 6.4 liter, so this is what, 480 something horsepower, 0 to 60 in like, I don't know, 4 seconds maybe. But look, they have kindly placed your exhaust on top of the car, and you get a drive shaft. I guess this goes with the car as well. Maybe so. What is this right here? This is an address. I can't really show the address or anything. But transmission something, Chally. Yeah, here we go. It's a heavy part. There we go. Mopar. Yeah, that's your drive shaft right there. How cool is this? Now, unfortunately, I don't think that we can get inside because this has been completely taped off. Maybe they just weren't thinking about that. Can I get it on the other side? I don't know. No, because they have this taped to here. Oh, come on. Let's not start the video like this. I can't even get in. See? I can't. So there's nothing we can do. Doggone it. I wanted to see what the deal was. It's a good looking car though. I really do. I'd love to have one of these. I would probably get a speeding ticket for the first time in, well, over 15 years. I haven't had a speeding ticket since, I think, 2001, maybe? Excuse me, so that'd be 22 years. Yeah. So I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's just badges. I thought this was supposed to be like air intake. I don't know. But it's a good color. I like the wheels. I don't know what's going on underneath, probably lots of missing parts, but she was a pretty car. She really was. Okay, so let's find something that we can get in and we can try to start. Well, how about this? Let's see how this does for us. 2009 Hummer H3, the baby Hummer in gray, but I think she's had a tough life. I do, because I see lots of this. So we have rust here, here. The paint is just kind of chunking off right there. There's rust on the bottom of the doors. And there is rust on the frame. Where did you come from? Probably somewhere up north. Las Casas Buenas Toman Tiempo. Okay, but it was owned by a very fine young man or young woman who served in the Marine Corps. Okay, let's see. This handle seems to be okay, but right here, once again, more rust. This one, and then there's rust right here. What is going on with this car? Let's see what the inside looks like. Tires are a little old, I would say. They are a little bit cracked, I would say. Interior, sniff test. Smells nice. Smells like an ozone machine got in here and kind of cleaned things up. It's a nice, I like the interior of this. I do. Special edition. Okay. Let's see. Nice. The dash isn't cracked or anything. The windshield is not cracked. It's just everything below the belt is a little bit rusty. See if we can get down in here and see what's going on. Oh, Well, okay. There's a lot of rust. Holy moly. Yeah, there is. There's some good rust going on right here. This little piece is broken. You got some moisture in your headlights. But is she salvageable? I don't know. Let's just kind of get in here and see what happens. Okay, so there is a little bit of wear right here on this piece. Wouldn't be too expensive to replace. I'm sure you can find another one of these somewhere. And wait a sec. Wait, what? What? What is this? That's not a good sign. How many times will it go? Well, it's another first. Spin, baby, spin. Wow. Okay. Let's just kind of see. Oh. Up front, there's a definite aroma of vomit. It smells like, ooh, what happened? It just smells like somebody threw up. Yeah, it does. It really does. Here's your key. Let's just kind of get under the hood and see what's happening here with this thing. But this is kind of fun. All right, we have the hood open, and let's just kind of see what's going on with the steering. Is it just not even attached? I'm too short to get up in here just to see. I mean, there's your steering linkage, that bar way down in there. If I had somebody with me, I could have them turn it to see where it's not following through with what it's supposed to do. But this is, we have some writing. 05, 15, 20. WB. I don't know what that means. We do have coolant. We do have windshield wiper fluid. Do we have oil? Ugh. This is like the longest dipstick ever. We have a lot of oil, way more than we're supposed to. Whoa. Okay. Got your old Vortec 3700 right here. And it looks really dirty. So with that much oil in there, is your coolant getting down to where the oil is supposed to be? I don't know. I really don't know. So with this one, just the steering, what's going on with that? Can you see under here? I really can't. Tell me what you see. I see rust. That's about it. That's about all I can see. So what should we do with this? I think we're going to move on. I think I'm noticing a theme here with these cars. They're all owned by a company that buys and sells, and I'm noticing a theme. So let's move a little bit further down and see what we can find. All right, so it's another first. Absolutely, we're doing a minivan. Yeah, I've never done a minivan before. In my whole YouTube career, I have never reviewed, sat in, driven a minivan. This is a Chrysler Pacifica with a very nice scratch right here. I like the color. It's a weird looking gray, almost a flat gray. What I'm worried about is this sticker that's right there. We're gonna see what kind of stuff could be inside, but overall, this was a rent-a-car that ended up here, so I don't know why, but it looks kind of cool. I don't see any damage on the outside. Here we go. I'm being very, very careful as I get in here. Oh, this is a mold. This is a mold biohazard because you can see right here on the seats. Here, you got some here. Look out on the front seat. Yeah, this is a mold. So I certainly want to get in here and breathe all this as much as I can. Look at the storage you have under your seats. That's pretty cool. Here we go. Let's look at this. They would charge you $450 if you smoke in the car. What do they charge for mold abatement? Ugh. That's a mess. This is really a mess. I don't want to breathe it. I really probably Shouldn't even get in here with the doors closed. Let's just kind of see what she has for us. Do we have power? See? Everything that's black has some mold on it, which is really, really strange. So we have a push start. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah. And it just, ooh, it smells like fish. Like when you go fishing and you get that smell on your clothes because you're walking back home with a whole bunch of fish. Oh, it smells like catfish. Yeah, she went into a lake or something. That's horrible. Ooh, okay. Well, let's look at the engine, see if we can find a water level anywhere. There it is, it's marked for us. That was the stripe on the outside. There's your water level. So everything, see, look right here. I thought that was just the sun. That's how high the water got. Is this marked as well? Open up. Yeah, see? Every line. There it is, there it is. That's what smells. Yeah. So this was in about 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet of water. That's the problem. Oh, what happened? Somebody rented a car and then drove it into the lake? That's yuck. Here's the hood. Little 3.6. Did they mark anything? See, when the water does not enter the engine, it's very fixable. Even sometimes when the water does enter the engine. But see, the engine may have survived. I mean, I don't see any debris or anything in here anywhere, like sticks or leaves or old mud or any. Well, there's some mouse poo. Oh, that's some big turdettes right there. See it? So the mice have been here, the water has been here, so we don't want to be here anymore. Yeah, I'm sorry, Chrysler. I'm sorry. You were going to be the first. Yeah, so anyway, that's another first. But it's not a first because I didn't start it to see what it sounded like. I'm sorry about that, but there's your water level. Yeah, there it is. And that, my friends, is one of the reasons why you want to come out here to Copart to check out these cars, because you can get a first-hand look at the damage. You know what you are up against, and if it's something that you want to park in your driveway or in your garage so you can work on it and save yourself a ton of money. Yeah, the Chrysler, I would say, would be okay, but it's just going to take a lot of cleaning that interior. Absolutely. So I just didn't want to breathe that too much. Not at all. All right. Well, thank you for watching. We will be back with another video very, very soon. And to all of those who have subscribed, thank you very much. We hit the 50,000 mark. We're on to 100,000, hopefully by the end of 2024. That's the goal. If I could get 50,000 subscribers in a year, for me, that would be amazing. So I need your help with that. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon. All right. Bye-bye.